Hello and welcome everybody. CSSE stock on 29 November. So let's start with easy steps about this stock. If you are new to this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's start. So according to what we want to see absolutely about this stock is going to be referring back for what is going to be actually is about this stock. So this is going to be about 1 and 0 Fibonacci level, and this is going to be referring back for what we want on this stock, and this is going to be very fine to know that this stock is going to be such a different change in about every time opportunity. One day update here, and here is going to be 4 hours update. That's what we actually want to see in a manner of the stock, and good luck on another episode.